Tata Tarbo Banjanti Puspa Faladda. Sukdev Goswami Pad told, "Hey Maharaj Parikshit, in Vrindavan, all the trees of Vrindavan, how they have love and affection with Krishna." Eh? Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, in his commentary, very nicely explained this way. As the bona fide guru comes in the house of bona fide disciples, they bona fide disciples, and welcome his Gurudev with the flowers, fruits. In the same way, when Govinda, Krishna, comes in Vrindavan, and that time all the trees, they also offer flowers and fruits to Govinda. Not only this, the branches of the trees automatically are coming on the coming overhead of Krishna. Govinda के मस्तक पर अपने आप उसकी शाखाएं आ जाती है. All the trees, branches automatically coming over the head of Govinda, and they are making very nice, beautiful umbrella. How they have love and affection. And they also welcome to Krishna with their branches. Because when wind blowing, then automatically the two branches of the trees, they are making this sound. Understand? Very nice, beautiful sound is coming. So Sukdev Goswami Pad told, the trees go dija druma. And sometimes trees, they also are embraced to Krishna with their lengthy arms. What are the lengthy arms of the trees? Their branches. When Krishna very close to the trees, then trees with their branches embrace to Krishna. And Krishna was very friendly and express his sentiments also. Sometimes trees, they are feeling separation from Krishna. That time trees shedding tears. Then Krishna also pacified to them. Banang Banantare, when Krishna used to go one forest to another forest, and that time trees with their lengthy arms, with their branches, they also stopped the path of Govinda. Saying, "Hey Krishna, don't leave us. You stay with us." But Krishna, very love and affection, giving them, pacified to them. "I'm coming. Soon I come back." Then trees are express their sentiments, bhav. "Okay, you have to write down our name in your Manapatra." Manapatra means pages of your mind. Manapatra. Look how they are love and affection. How they are expression, sentiments in their heart. Namti aman likhe rekho tomar manir mandire. Hey Krishna, just write down our name in the temple of your mind. Manapatra, Manamandir. Generally you have seen in the temple, there are many people, they also writing their name on the stone. Why? Because if there any generation will come, sons, daughter-in-law will come in the temple, and they will say, "Oh, my grandfather, grandmother donated this stone or this." In the same way, the trees of Vrindavan, they express their sentiments. Maner namti aman likhe rakho maner mandiri. Hey Govinda, just written our name in your temple of mind, Manamandir. And when you will take rest, that means in the midday, when you will take rest and under the tree or another place, and or otherwise when you will become very tired, understand? While herding the cows, maybe you will become tired. Then you will take rest under the tree. Then your friend Subal Siddham, they will massage your feet. Then just you close your eyes, then remember to us. Understand? And open one pages of your Manapatra. Manapatra, understand? Pages of your mind. Sometimes when you are tired, just taking rest, maybe sleepiness not coming. Sometimes happen in your life or not. And you try to sleep, but not possible. Maybe 1 hour, 2 hours, and just you are laying down on your bed, and close your eyes, but still sleepiness not coming. Then automatically your manopatra, understand manopatra? Pages of your mind, and open one by one, one by one. What your manopatra has written from your childhood to now. From your childhood, from to now, maybe 10, 15, 20 years, all the one by one pages of your mind open. And remembering these. Sometimes you are happy, sometimes you are sad. Because life is going on this way. In your life, many memories coming. Sometimes good memories and sometimes bad memories also coming. This is the nature. So in the same way, the trees of Vrindavan, they request to Krishna, "Hey Krishna, please write down our name in your manopatra. When you take rest, and that time just you remember to us. Oh, this is Tamal trees. This is Madhavi, Malati, and maybe the Ashok trees, and even in Vrindavan, many kinds of trees are there. How the trees, they are love and affection with us. Understand? When you used to go the house of your friends, then sometimes you remember how your friends, and they have love and affection with you. Many things will happen in your life. Sometimes good, sometimes bad. But have to forget bad things. But remember to her good things. Oh, this friend, I went 20 years before. And this friend, as I give an example. Krishna and Sudama Vipra Katha. So the Sudama Vipra, he came in Dwarakapuri and met with Krishna. And whole day and whole night, Krishna talked with him. Here Sudama Vipra, we were staying in the ashram of our Gurudev Sandibuni Muni. One day, Guru Mata, she told, there are no firewood for cooking. That time, he told to you, Sudama, you have to go to the forest and collect some dry wood. That time I told, I have to go with you. Then Guru Mata told, no, you are the son of Vasudev Maharaj. You are prince. So you should not go to collect the wood. That time I told, no. In the ashram of Guru, everybody should be equal. There is no difference. You are rich person or you are poor person. In the ashram, everybody should be equal. You cannot discriminate. Or he is poor person, he is a rich person. So in this way, I told my Guru Mata, no, I have to go. Everybody have to serve Guru and Krishna. You have to serve Gurudev, Guru Seva. Everybody have right to serve Guru. But that time Guru Mata, even a Guru Mata, she told, no, you should not go. But Sudama, he can go. Because Brahman boy, he has some, what is it called? Soisnuta, tolerance. But he should not go. That time he told, no, I have to go. Then, you and me, both we also are, entered in the deep forest and we collected some dry wood. In the meantime, big storm came, heavy rain. We were taking rest under one tree. Then whole night, almost whole night, we passed deep dark night under the tree. Then midnight, Gurudev, Sandibuni Muni, he took one particular torch, a lantern, and he was searching for us. 2 bundles of the dry wood on your head and mine. Then, when we returned back in the ashram, then Guru Mata, Gurudev, they were crying. So in this way, Krishna, he told all his katha, pastimes, Guru Griha Katha. You know, one who lives in ashram of Gurudev. So I am saying, because in this way, trees of Vrindavan, they request to Krishna, hey Krishna, just remember our name. So you write down our name on your Manapatra, pages of your mind. This thing. Then you remember to us. In this way, so in the trees of Vrindavan, they have love and affection. In this way. So Uddhav told, I noticed, Je Go Drijat Druma, Hiranna Pulukanu, even the deer, how they have love and affection with Krishna. When Krishna used to come in the forest, herding the cows, and then the old deer, they are very coming close to Krishna. जब गोविंद वृंदावन में गोचारण के लिए जाते हैं, उस समय हिरण हिरणी गोविंद के सन्निकट आकर के बस गोविंद की चरण कमल को क्या कर चाटते हैं. The deer, male and female deer, they are very, very close to Krishna, and so licking the lotus feet of Krishna. Sometimes Krishna is fatting on their back. Dhannasma mudagatayo hiranna eta jhananana pata vichitra vesam akarna venu ranitang sa Krishna sara puja dadam virachaya pranaya balokai. Sukdev Goswami Pad told, Hey Maharaj Parikshit, Etaha param. Etaha means indicate with the fingers. Look, this deer, female deer, male deer, both they are running towards Krishna. And running. Then they came very close to Krishna. And they are sitting very close to Krishna. And Krishna also fatting on their back. Then automatically their heart completely melted and tears are rolling down. And that time both they also exchange their love and affection with their glands. So it is Dhannasma Mudagata Hiranna Eta Jan Andanupata Vichitra Vesam Akarna Venu Ranitang Saha Krishna Sara. Their life is for Krishna Seva, Krishna Sara. Sar means essence of life, Krishna Seva, Guru Seva. What is the essence of our life? Guru Govinda Goswami Maharaj told, you give for all blood for your family's member, your wife, children, husband. They never will be pleased with you. But you will little bit sad to Guru and Krishna. Then Guru and Krishna very pleased with you. Sometimes I told one very nice, beautiful story. Once, one lover and beloved, Premik Premika, they are very deep attachment to each others. Yet they did not marry. Vivaha vidhi nahi kiya. Lover and beloved. They are engaged, about to they going to marry. Then पत्नी को क्या बोलते हैं? लवर बोलते लवर फीमेल है, फीमेल को लवर बोलते नहीं है. तो लवर प्रेमिका, लवर, she told, yes, I can marry with you one condition, because your mother, she is not favor with me. Try to understand. Your mother, she is not favor with me. She does not like to me. I stay with you. So how can I marry with you? Then beloved told, no, I have to marry with you. That time lovers, she told, okay, if you bring the heart of your mother and give to me, then I can marry with you. Could you do this? That time he told, yes, I can do everything for you. I can kill my mother. I can bring the heart of my mother over to you. Okay? Then night time, he came in his house, entered in the room of his mother and took one big sword, knife, and choked that neck his mother and cut the heart his mother, because he promised, I have to offer the heart of my mother. Then he took the heart of his mother and hold his hand and running. But suddenly his thumb stuck on stone. Understand? Then he fell down. Understand? And some voice coming from the heart of mother. Oh, my son, you are feeling some pain? Come to me. I have to massage your feet. Bolo Vrindavan Vihar. So, try to understand. हिंदी में इसको कहते हैं, वो जब प्रेमिका के लिए अपने माँ के हृदय के लिए चलती है ना, दौड़ते दौड़ते एक पत्थर में उसके अंगूठी लग गया, बस वो गिर गया। और इस हार्ट से, हृदय से, माने माँ की जो हृदय हार्ट को लेकर जा रहे हैं ना, उससे आवाज आने लगी, बेटा कहीं तेरे पेट अंगूठी में चोट तो नहीं लगी? लग जाएगा, कोई बात नहीं, मैं तुमको मसाज कर देता हूँ। Try to understand. Why I'm saying this? Try to understand what kinds of love and affection in the heart of your mother. But 1,000 times that of love and affection in the heart of Guru and Krishna. You may not understand. When you come in the stage of Prema and Bhavadasha, Bhav and Premadasha, and that time you realize what kinds of love and affection in the heart of Guru and Krishna. Gaur Premanand, Vancha Guru Kripal Sindhu Paditanam Pavane Bho Vaishnava. So now we go 6 o'clock, no? Gaur Premanand. Try to understand in this Brajvasis, how they have love and affection with Krishna. You can't compare any example in Braj and Brajvasis, the love and affection. Good Prema. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama. Everybody come. Jamuna Devi ki jai. Oh, tá, esse microfone.
Today is Lalita's birthday.
Birthday. Okay, she come. एक नहीं होगा सही. You are not eating.
Okay, good.
Hello.
I'm honoring Gurudev.
Please move this. Hey, take this out. आप लोग देखो सब इसको रखो. ये चटाई का हटा दे.
ठाकुर जी का अच्छा है ना, ये आती रहे और हम केक खाते रहे.
You understand? That's part. Huh?
Very nice.
Nice story.
Nice story, yeah.
Yeah. If I speak Hindi, you will cry.
Yeah.
Yeah? Well, I can marry with you if you give the heart of your mother. Understand?
But it's hard to understand the love of Guru and Vaishnava because not always simple.
Sometimes the love of Guru Vaishnava comes the indirect way,
The tricky way. So how to understand?
Huh?
How to understand?
Come in the. I told when
Being
you come.
mundane person. Being mundane.
When you will come in the stage of asakti, at least bhav, asakti dasa or bhav dasa. Hey, Haribol. Hare the Mahini. Stage come.
We didn't get.
Who did not take prasad? Come.
And before that stage,
Before the
how to
stage,
not make offence.
just imposing sometimes.
That they
Huh?
actually do.
ठाकुर जी का बर्थडे है.
हाँ.
मेरा भी.
लाओ इधर लाओ.
बर्थडे
क्या
खोल
लाई?
के दो.
गुरुदेव में मिठाई लाई है।
ले मिठाई मत. लो. वो कहाँ से ली? The new devotee. Oh, Haribol.
There's more prasad. Come forward.
Haribol, give the Chinese devotee. Hey, Haribol.
Champak and friends.
Timpai. इसको दे दो. ये भोग लगा दिया.
नहीं मैंने भोग नहीं लगाया।
अरे भोग लगा, हाथ लग गया, भोग लगा. लगा दिया. जगदीश.
No ice creams, Gurudev.
Hey. देखिए ना कितना.
नहीं और एक गुरुदेव प्रभु जी
हाँ? ये वाला कोई नहीं ले रहा.
जब ये आइसक्रीम मिलेगी
जो ये वाला देते हैं नहीं, कोई नहीं लेना चाहता.
एक मिनट देंगे. प्रशांत 2 मिनट की बात हो रही है.
Ele
और वो
गुरुदेव ये भी है।
कर सकते हो आप दो.
No, Ramananda Sagar. Oh, no.
वो डिनर टेक वो चाइनीज चला गया. अच्छा
Ele falou que acho que ia dar os dois.
अब और कौन नहीं लिया.
Gurudev, Ananda Mai.
Será que era mensagem?
हो गया. Hey, you are not taking. Go. Hey.
शिवाली
Hey, Haribol, come.
शिवाली उसको बुलाओ. शिवाली को वो ले लो.
Okay. और हुई not taking.
शिवाली
अरे दामोदर कहाँ गए वो?
आज क्यों नहीं है?
Those who didn't come to Katkar.
हेलो हो गया. शिवाली कहाँ गए? दे. चलो रख दो.
क्या बोला?
हाँ
इनका जन्मदिन है.
हाँ
आज जन्माष्टमी है.
आज जन्माष्टमी है. ओम तद्दिन परमं सदा वसंति सुरा तदम नमो ब्रह्मण्यो देवाय भोगनते जगदीदाय कृष्ण ओम गुरु नित्यानंद जी की जय।
जय हो गुरु निताई की जय।
और
गोपाल जी की जय।
इसको रख दो कम, थोड़ा तो कुछ रखो।
अभी अभी तैयार हुए हैं।
चलो
दीदी राधा गांधी दीदी। यस।
इनको दिया कि
मैंने ले लिया उनका भाग मैंने